The Ministry of Home Affairs has rejected Amnesty International's claims of incessant witch hunt against it, calling the accusations exaggerated and far from the truth. In a hard-hitting statement, the MHA said that the glossy statements about humanitarian work and speaking truth to power are a ploy to divert attention from activities which were in clear violation of Indian laws. The government's response came after Amnesty International's announcement that it is halting all its activities in India due to freezing of its accounts. The organization had further claimed that it is being subjected to an incessant witch hunt over unfounded and motivated allegations. The Home Ministry said that Amnesty's statements are an attempt to extraneously influence the course of investigations by multiple agencies into its irregularities over the last few years. It said that Amnesty is free to continue humanitarian work in India, as is being done by many other organizations, but Indian laws do not allow interference in domestic political debates by entities funded by foreign donations. This law applies equally to all, and it shall apply to Amnesty International as well, the Home Ministry said. Amnesty International, despite its repeated applications, has been denied FCRA approval by successive governments since, as per law, it is not eligible to get such an approval, the Home Ministry said in the statement. It added that Amnesty UK had remitted large sums of money to various organizations, including Amnesty India, without MHA's approval under the FCRA. This malified rerouting of money was in contravention of extant legal provisions, it said. Owing to these illegal practices of Amnesty, the previous government had also rejected the repeated applications of Amnesty to receive funds from overseas, the Home Ministry said. This had led Amnesty to suspend its India operations once during that period as well, the statement said. A Times Online report.